We're here in the mechanical room of the 160 room Grand Hotel here in Bryce Canyon. And what we replaced in this mechanical room were 5 high efficient 199,000 BTU 100 gallon tank type water heaters. One of the issues that they had with those water heaters were they were not capable of keeping up with the high demand for the hot water.
Ruby's Inn started in 1916 with my great-grandfather, Reuben Syret. Him and his wife bought this ranch, sight unseen. And at the time, Bryce Canyon was not a national park, but he went up there and he saw that with his wife and his 2 children. And they said, this is absolutely beautiful, and we think people are gonna want to come see this one day. So he got permission from the state of Utah to build a facility there at the rim of the canyon called Tourist Rest. And that's kind of how Ruby's Inn got a start. Today we've actually grown to where we have 3 different hotels, several restaurants, RV park and campground, and any given night during the summertime we have 4,000 people that sleep here at Ruby's Inn. We've got some unique challenges in that a lot of our business is tour buses, and they show up late at night and the first thing they want to do is all shower. Historically that's always been a problem because you just can't keep up with 40 showers at the same time.
So here at Ruby's, they've had hot water problems for years. So the equipment was aging and needed to come out.
We had Rinnai Engineering bring in a plan for every individual building, a total of 19 buildings that they have here, and show them all the features and benefits of going to the tankless water heater system.
Rinnai as well as Blue Star came back with a 30% savings, which calculated back on the fuel savings would have been 7,000 gallons of propane per month.
Our goal is a reduction in the discounts that we have to give, or we have to completely refund a room and sometimes an entire building block because they took a cold shower in the morning. So we look at about $60,000 a year in discounts and refunds.
Ruby's then committed to installing 175 tankless water heater systems for the entire resort.
So this week we have an installation of new Rinnai on-demand water heaters, and this is halfway through our overall project.
Ruby's Inn has been a huge retrofit, being able to pull the old boiler system out, put these new on-demand units in. They start up and they purl on.
As I mentioned, we are still on the frontier out here. We don't have a gas line within 25, 30 miles.
We have a 30,000 gallon propane cylinder and an 18,000 gallon propane cylinder, and that's what supplies each building with propane. We use 425,000 gallons a year.
We've got about 700 rooms here, 3 restaurants. We run a large laundry facility that does about 19 ton of laundry a day. It's all ran off of propane.
I believe that this entire property exists because of the propane option. It's great that working with the propane along with our product to get them the most efficient hot water heating system on the market.
We'd like to think we're good stewards of the national park. We give back, we've got a lot of programs. We try to be as environmentally conscious as we can be. And this partnership with Blue Star Gas and with Rinnai is just another rung in that ladder.
Propane is one of the cleanest forms of energy available to homes and businesses. Ruby's Inn has been an excellent steward of the environment at Bryce Canyon, and utilizing propane to continue that stewardship is an excellent choice.
I feel that any business that is not using on-demand water heaters really needs to look at it.
There's no commercial business that can keep their doors open without hot water, so the reliability and the redundancy of a tankless water heating system is really key to any business owner.
Whether it's restaurants, an apartment complex, a hospital, schools, or a large resort like ours, I'd recommend it.